statement on the weather for the coming season, October, November, December 2024. We issue it early because it serves as an early warning for all users. We are happy to provide this at the end of August so that farmers and other users have sufficient time within the entire month of September to make arrangements for the weather is not directly conforming to what we have. The weather outlook indicates that the western parts of Kenya, where we have counties like Kisii, Kisumu, Kericho, Kakamega, all of those counties in the western region, and extending a little bit to the central parts of the Rift Valley, we are expecting that that region will receive normal rainfall with a tendency towards above normal.